Here's my experience with the rescue Japanese beetle trap. I see these around my neighborhood all the time because we live in Colorado and we get Japanese beetles really bad in the summertime. So I was finally ready to try this trap. I opened up the kit and this is some sort of like flowery little container that puts out a scent. After you pop open the trap, you just slide it right here on the top. The part that it slides on is a hook, and I put a little twisty tie right through that loop so I could hang it in one of my trees. It only took a couple minutes to put the whole thing together, and then I stuck it in my tree. Immediately, I'm talking about without hesitation, the Japanese beetles started flying over to me. I find this so interesting, but there is a pheromone scent inside this little pod, and it attracts the Japanese beetles. They climbed onto the little top part. It seemed like they were shocked or stunned, and they just started falling in. By the end of the season, you can see how many Japanese beetles I caught. This is half a bag, and I honestly have been so impressed.